Small girl, the 4-year-old, then after that yesterday 7-year-old boy, now a 13-year-old girl from Ribhoi. Back to back we're seeing children missing and then found dead.
This is a very distressing time for mothers, and I'm no different from any mother. And it has become such a bad coincidence, back to back, one incident happening, then another incident happening. I I don't know. It is correct to say that action has to be taken. It is correct for the public to be looking up to the law and order situation and crying out for help. It is also correct that families need to play a more proactive role. But I think we need now to evaluate the cases as they come, occur, get forgotten, another case coming, occurring, getting forgotten. I think we have to ensure that cases that are filed are quickly disposed of. There should be a seen reassurance for public that any perpetrators of crime will be dealt with stringently, and we have to start working on this. I also have a feeling that usually it is more pathetic when a victim loses their life but their family don't find justice. So it's like beyond expressing, beyond understanding. I think our legal aid, we have to review this. When I was with the law department, we had talked about this on several platforms. I had had several review meetings with the officers. How do you ensure that the most underprivileged or illiterate citizen has access to this justice? So this is something that we as a government will have to mull, and we'll have to take cognizance of this growing numbers of crimes against the children. It's unacceptable. We have to not wash our hands, but we have to have a collective responsibility, starting with government first, making sure that the criminals are dealt with, cases are disposed of at the earliest, and criminals are dealt with stringently. Because I still remember with a sense of still feeling that great sense of loss when the two children were killed by their father just 3 years, 2 months back. There was so much hue and cry, but I am given to understand that that justice also has not been delivered to this poor mother who continues to be traumatized by the incident. I have more time now. I will give this some of my attention, and we will try to give suggestions to government to ways and means to handling this, dealing with grief. So many of these victims, their family aren't still able to come to terms with grief. How are we helping our citizens to attend to the grief that they feel? So these are few things that immediately come to my mind. And in the meanwhile, really, I feel so saddened that another 13-year-old girl has been found in the forest when she didn't come back from her school. We don't know what the circumstances of these situations are, but I send my deepest condolences to the family and the bereaved, and I want to assure you that we are as and equally concerned on this rampant growth of crimes against innocent children.